The topic of my talk is Media and Islam, War or Peace. What is the definition of the word media? Media means main means of mass communication. And Islam is derived from the root word salam, which means peace. It is also derived from the Arabic word silm, which means to submit your will to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Thus, Islam means peace acquired by submitting your will to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So today's talk is Media and Islam, War or Peace. Main means of mass communication and peace acquired by submitting your will to the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. War or peace. Media today, it is the most important tool in the world. Or rather, media today is the most important weapon in the world. It can convert black into white, day into night, hero into villain, villain into hero. The media, it is very powerful. And as science and technology is advancing, media too is changing drastically. Every day, every week, a new system is coming up. And as science and technology is changing, media too is changing. And media can be used for good purposes as well as for bad purposes. For example, a knife can be used for good purposes like cutting fruits, cutting vegetables, etc. Whereas the same knife can be used for bad purposes, for stealing, for robbing, for murder, etc. So media can be used for good purposes as well as for bad purposes.